Our first task this morning. There he goes. He's making his own video. We're seeing a bit, dude. So this one today is in for another map, but the map is because we're fitting an inlet manifold and fuel rail first. So we've seen this one before, and we're hoping to make some gains above where we were last time. So I think that's achievable, but you know, we'll see. We'll see. It's got good fuel in it. It's a beautiful car, as you can tell. He was so impressed with the map last time and the difference that it made. We're really hoping to improve upon that again, and yeah, make some more smiles and some more noise, I'm told. But we shall see what we can do about that. What a beautiful car. And just before we start today, I just want to remind all of our beautiful Dynodaze customers that donuts and energy drinks get you an extra 5 brake horsepower. Now obviously they don't, but they make me happy. So thanks ever so much. Look at these beauties. And there's only me and Rich here now. Sorry, Jason. Okay, well, she's in a ramp space, which is a good start. And if you don't remember it from the last video, here we go. A lovely little engine bay, some nice yellow hoses, a HKS induction kit. It's got Metellius exhaust system and a 4-to-1 manifold. And today, this little lovely thing is coming out, and we're fitting a jolly nice one. So there's your before, guys, and we shall show you an after before we get mapping. How are we getting on, Rich?
Apart from momentarily losing the gasket in the sea of plastic over here, all right.
Won't be long now and it'll be on, mate.
Yeah, I should have it done for about 5 PM. Eastern European time.
Yeah. First day back, Rich. How are you feeling?
First day back on the job?
Relegated.
Relegated.
Hey, how do you feel about England winning against Germany?
What's that? Is that football?
Yes, it is football.
Is it? Oh, okay.
I know it's not got 4 wheels and an exhaust, so you're not interested.
Mate, I don't bleed cars, but I mean, football is a bunch of overpaid tossers kicking a bag of wind around a pitch, innit, and then moaning about everything. Yeah. And I wouldn't even mind if they actually played any good for the amount of money they're being fucking paid. You think that they'd be the top of their game, wouldn't you? As
apparently they are, mate.
The way I would word it, and the way I would expect them to be, is at the top of their game. Like no one be any better than them because they're earning, I don't know, 150, 200 grand a week or whatever it is that they earn. If someone was paying me 150 grand a week, I think I'd be pretty good at my fucking job.
Hey, you're good at your job anyway, and I only give you 20, 30 pound a week, so... When
did that start? I've had a wage rise.
If Richard's dad's watching, I'm going to dock his wages for that.
Yeah.
Right. Are we getting on, Richard?
We're getting loads more done if you weren't asking me stupid fucking questions.
Oh, it's gonna
like that.
It's gonna be like that then, is it?
How do you like them apples?
How do you like them apples? Yeah. Say something. Say something.
Say something positive.
Yeah, I want something positive, something influential.
Yeah, positive and influential was 8:30 this morning.
Oh, okay.
Now it's 10 to 2, and I've still not done this job, and I've got one waiting outside. So no, there's no positivity now.
Okay,
we're in the realms of we're in the shit now.
Okay, all right, okay. Well, we can only do so much, my friend. Well, Richard's being like that, so I thought I'd give you I'll give you some positivity. This car's beautiful. Richard's working his best. It's his best life, doing what he's best at. So there you go, there's some positivity for you. Well, there we go. Nothing too dramatic today out of this beautiful silver FN2, but as you can see, red liners as it came in, blue liners as it leaves, which is inlet manifold and a map tweaker. We've made power at peak and power in the mid-range, and we finished today on 224 brake horsepower and 184 at the wheels. Fantastic. So some gains there, maybe 4 brake horsepower peak and about 5 or 6 in the mid-range. Yeah, good stuff. And it makes some beautiful noises, which is put a smile on his face, let me tell you. Anyway, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. Please do me a favour, go follow all of the other channels that make brilliant content like Cowabunga Car Diaries, FN3 Bill, Modfix, Limitations, Robster VTech. I'm sure I've missed loads, but go and follow them all. Let's all give love and support to as many people as possible, because this is what it's all about. Making people happy, putting smiles on faces, making cars better. It's what we do here at Dynodaze. If you've got one of these and you want to get it booked in, give me a shout. If you just want to talk about your motor, give me a shout. Like I say, my name's Danny. You can message the Facebook page, you can message on YouTube, drop a comment in this video, let me know what stage your car's at. But yeah, man, thanks for everyone that's watching the videos. Thanks to everyone who's supported us on YouTube. We really, really appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next one. Oh, hang on. Hey, Rich! I've got to find him. I'm going to have to find him for this. We'll see you on the next video, won't we? No. We will. You haven't quit. We'll see you on the next one, won't we? No. This video is going to be about 15 minutes long for you today. You're not hiding. What? You're not hiding.
I'm not even here.
You are?
I'm not.
Tell them we'll see them on the next video.
We? I quit.
Say you're live.
I've had him my notice.
Say you're live. We'll see you on the next video, guys. Won't we, Rich?
We will indeed.
Good lad. Good lad. Yeah, okay.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.